Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. We are Wednesday, March 4th, 2020. The markets are up today. The first reason was because of Joe Biden that has won many states, and also at 10 o'clock. Around 10 o'clock, it's the ISM non-manufacturer that came out. I don't have the number, but they said that it was better than expected, and it shows no weakness at all. So that's the second reason why the market came back up. And I think the market wants to go up, except that it's pretty well stuck at the level it is right now. So let's see if we see all the day. Yes, exactly. So that's where we started the day, and that's where almost where we are also right now. Difficult to see, to know if you're gonna keep going, but so far the market it's quite a bit neutral. This morning we had a news about the crude oil, because they said that the OPEC was near an agreement to reduce the crude oil production by 1 million barrels per day. So USO went up on this news, and the gas also, but look, it went down to the negative point, and also the stock. And the gas did exactly the same thing. For the gold went up this morning, but never progressed since that time. And the stock never reacted to this. So to tell the truth, the market right now has only 3 sectors going up, continuing their rebound. It is actually the consumer staple, like the grocery, which came back up above the support. And but in most cases, there's no more potential. Very good if you have position on this one, but I don't consider it as a buy point. And we also have the real estate that that continues the pullback, and also the utility stock with not much potential left. But all the rest of the sectors are everyone's are totally sideways. And starting from consumer discretionary, you see how sideways it is, and the financials are the same, and the industrials also sideways. So the market is looking for a new direction now, but we don't have it yet. And we don't have much new report on the coronavirus in the States, but we know that it has amplified everywhere. In Italy, they have closed all school and university for 2 weeks, and they have told the older people like 70 and over to stay home. The 55 to 75 don't go out unless you absolutely have to, they said. And they said now no one should give a shake hand to anyone. You should keep 3 feet distance between everyone, and especially don't kiss anyone. And so you know, the pressure is on in Italy, and also there's also a big progression in South Korea, and also in United States, because they keep reporting more casualties, more cases, and you know, the situation now, they don't talk a lot about it today. They're just trying to calm the situation, but we know right away that they are running out of everything, like cure first, mask, and also even Purell, you cannot find anyone anywhere. So they're going to get into some problem if the virus continues its progression as it seems to be doing right now. Okay, we do a little break. I'm going to open you the question bar, but before I do so, I want to explain you that it's a new bar. You have now. I can decide of many subjects. So for the first trial today, what? No, I haven't opened the bar up yet. I want to explain them first, you know. So if you want to ask a question now, you have to select one of the subject. So I have placed, as you will see, I have put 3 names at the top: Canada, USA, and coronavirus. So I can change those for different different subjects sometime, but today that's what I have chosen. So when you do so, all the questions about Canada stock goes into this tab, and the US goes to another tab. So it's much easier for me because I don't have to switch. It's going to change a little bit later again, maybe tomorrow or the day after, and now you will have to select one of those subjects before writing your question, because at the moment, and when you don't select one, I see them, but they're all mixed up. So you will be forced to select it in a couple of days. So right now I still have so many questions from the previous show, and let's see. Okay, there, and now USC there. Okay, and this one. Okay, so right. So in the previous show, I've received 141 questions. I did not answer them all, of course. Okay, we have 4 now questions here. So probably not here, maybe here, maybe there. No, okay, so that's the thing. Probably that no ones. I'm going to take this off, go towards the end. Okay, no, I have no questions. Okay, so what will this market do now? We're just making a new high on Nasdaq at the moment, very slightly though, but it's still a new high. So you know, until the market makes a new direction, I mean, it's pretty tough in swing trading and even in day trading. We had a few interesting stock this morning, but now it's going a little bit the other way around. as I can see, OCUL, which is Ocular Therapeutic, make a very good move, but it's not progressing anymore. And I don't think I have any others so far, because most everything that went up this morning are now going down. So you see, we had that stock that did very, very well, but look, it has lost everything. So it's a very bizarre movement this morning. You have Novavax that did produce quite a bit, but now, you know, there's no entrance point in it. Just a little, the last little signal here has only produced like 20 cents. So the INO, prior to the market opening, was supposed to open at 9:30 and finally open at 8:30, went back to 9:30, but finally never got any higher. A little bit later, there was another movement here that produced a little bit, but not much. So INO, I looked at their website this morning. They are producing vaccine, so they probably work on vaccine. And the reason the stock went up, they said that they are going to activate, you know, their process. So try to do it faster. So the movement we see, it seems to have at the moment, is VXRT that just started at 12:40, just almost at the beginning, just before the show began. It's the stock is on the move at the moment. Novavax is going down, and we have BCRX went up this morning, but after that, you know, the stock stayed at the same level all the way. Whoops, where did I lost the stock? It's this one out here. And so the stock just broke out a few minutes ago, 335, 350, and now ending in this bullish cycle. So if it comes back here to the price, so that means that this is going to be over. It's going to be like finish. Okay. Okay, so you were the only one, Guy, having problem with your volume, because no one else is talking about it so far. So, okay, let's look at it. Yeah, yes, the market's still continuing a bit on the upside. So we got to watch it, see it. But because I'm quite sure when they're going to come with the new result in the States, I mean, the market could come back. But at the moment, they're quite silent. Because they look a bit stupid, don't they? Donald Trump over the weekend and the CDC, and they all said, no, we have it is still very low risk. We don't have many cases and all this, but it really took off after, and they are stuck with it right now, and it's a virus that spreads very rapidly and very easily. So I really wonder how easy they are going to control it, because it's quite a wide country, and right now they have many states that are affected with the coronavirus. So in the meantime, I know, even though the market seems to be very nice, look, it is a total sideways market. There's no doubt about that. It is between the same range. We have a little bit over here, a little bit under there, but most of the last days are between this here. Same thing on the Dow, same thing on the SPY, and about the same thing also on the TSX. So I think the market is looking for a direction, and I'll be very surprised that it goes very, very high, because there is less bad. There's no new news. Okay, so but I think the market is going to be worried about the fact that the bad news can come also, and so everything that you buy now, you may have to sell it within the next couple of days. So you really gotta be very, very prudent at the moment on anything you do on that market. Okay, let me check my stuff here. Okay, not there. Not there. Okay, no, something. Okay, something wrong with my new function, I think. But let's see. So, I mean, I don't have, look, the market is breaking out on every market right now. Not strongly, but it's still breaking out. So I'm patient, but I am confident that the market will sooner or later start its way back down, because whenever the situation of the virus gets worse, and I'm quite sure it's going to get worse. And it's not when, because it's getting worse. It's when they are going to reveal the new result that we may have the answer of that question. So this is it for now, folks. Thank you very much for attending. We'll catch you later.